Hi there, it's Shell. This journal is now complete. I'm just doing a quick flip through so you can see it if you're interested in purchasing it. It will go up for sale on Tuesday at, let's say, 4 p.m. Mountain Time. So, it kind of has like a teal color here. The tie. Beautiful. It's like 6-inch cover, and then a 2-inch spine, and then a 6-inch on the front. And then this is a wooden piece. Clint did the my husband did the wood burning, and then I came back with some pencils and did that. I love that. I think it's so pretty. There's the top of it, and then has some little charms on the bottom, and has about 80 pages, so 20 in each one times 2, which would be 40 because they're halved, and then front and back of those pages makes it 80. So this is on the inside. Let me show you this real quick. So there is a secret journaling spot in this cover. So there we go. Sorry, I had a little bit of glue. I don't know how that happened. And then that slides in here. And because of the trim that we used, it kind of blends in, so you don't really see it when, you know, it's closed and stuff. So that was Clint's idea, and I think it was so fun. So I did use a kit for this. I'm not sure what the name of it was. I'll have to look it up. So this is, I think there's like 12 or 13 different secret journaling spots. Maybe more than that because some of them are in here twice. So on the first one we have a journaling card. And then this is one that I designed, secret journaling spot here. And then this lifts out, and then it has this little piece on it so that when it's in, kind of wraps around it, and you can't really see that it's a secret journaling spot if you look from the top. And then this wraps around. Supposed to anyways. So you can use it as a pocket as well as, you know, a little tuck spot. That was really fun, but if you look at it from the top, it looks like a closed envelope. Coin envelope. This was not my idea, but this is a secret journaling spot. And kind of has like a little belly band type item here. And I love that idea. So you can journal, you can put pictures, whatever. Paper. This is a secret journaling spot. This is an old one that I had in my stash, and it's old as far as I've been doing this one for years. So, secret journaling. And then it does have a little doily. I didn't really decorate that, so I'll let you do that. This is a little tuck spot, but this is also a secret journaling spot. So you can journal in there. This one's an older one as well. And then this is a secret journaling spot. This one has 2, so it does open like this, which that's not part of the 2. And then this slides down. Oh, not the lace though. You have to kind of get in there and pull that one down. Sometimes I attach it to the lace, and sometimes I don't. So there's a secret journaling spot in there, and then here as well. And you just have to get in here and pull that out. Tweezers might be helpful here. sometimes I do attach that to the lace. And, you know, it's sometimes easier that way. There we go. And then that's a secret journaling spot as well. I did do a secret journaling series on my channel. And I think we're about halfway through it. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep going or not. Come on, you get in there. Okay. So, I hope you guys are doing well. Oh, jeez. Okay, come on. You can do it. Sorry, guys. You'll have more time, you know, when you're doing a secret journaling spot. I don't know why it's not going in. But I know the blue. This has like a blue and it has like a little white on this cardstock. And I know the blue was up. I really don't know why it's having an issue going in. Okay, I'm going to put that in. Oh, hold on. I'll show you how I did it. I had my bone folder and I just kind of wiggled it to put it in. I don't know why it was so hard. Maybe next time it won't be that difficult. And then, of course, you know, I think this is coffee dyed pink paper. This is just a little paper clip. You could put something underneath that. I did use or put a lot of my scraps in this journal, so you won't get tons of scraps. There is a little journaling card, just a little pocket. This is also a secret journaling spot. And then I threw in one of these because these are so cute. Inspired by one of my subbies. And this is a secret journaling spot, but which way does it open? So pretty simple, but it looks like it's, you know, solid. This is just a tag one of my subbies made me. Some little goodies here, and then both of these laces have a secret journaling spot there. And then just some little goodies in here. Secret or hidden paper clips, so you can put journaling cards, pictures, whatever you'd like in there. This is just a pocket that I had that I thought went really well with this journal. Secret journaling spot and a little tuck spot there. So this is a little magnet kind of bookmark, and then there's the secret journaling spot. But I really like the yellow on this one, so I just went ahead and used that. This is a little pocket that I made. I think that is so cute. And then this is a paper clip that was in my stash. I love this paper kit. I think it was really pretty, and this was some dyed paper. Here's a secret journaling spot, so you're just gonna push up on this and then grab the paper. It's just easier that way. And then you can journal, glue something in there if you want, and then you can kind of help it back down by the paper. I love that one. I think that one's so fun. And that's the first signature. So let me show you the little charms I have on this one. I have a little key and a little heart, which I think is so cute. Same thing on this one. This is a secret journaling spot. So the brown one is a secret journaling spot, and that is the trim here. There is a tuck, so you can put like a tag or something in there. I need to put more tags in my stash, I think. And then also this one is a secret journaling as well. There we go. And this goes in here. This was an original idea by me, which I don't come up with many. And that goes here. I don't think, yeah, that one is just, I tell you, I might be having problems because my hands are so cold too. It's a little chilly out here. And then I have a little pocket here, and then if you pull this one, it's kind of a secret journaling spot as well. Once I got going with the series, I really kept coming up with ideas, you know, secret journaling. So this is a little belly band, and then this is just a little card that I really liked. So I threw that in there. That's a belly band. You could decorate that, whatever you wanted. Here is secret journaling spot. And then there's a little envelope, so you could put money or something in there as well. I love these. This is just a little tag that I made. A little pocket. I just thought that was cute. We could turn that around like that. Doesn't really matter. And this was a heart, a fabric heart that I created, and I loved it. I thought that was really cute. And a journaling card that was in my stash. This is a secret journaling spot, and so if you lift this up, this pulls down and you can journal in there. And then on this one, I put a little saying, and it kind of has another secret journaling spot there. Here is a pocket. And then if you open this, you have a huge secret journaling spot, which I thought was so cute. That was also something else that I designed. They may have them elsewhere, but I've never seen them, so I'm just going to say I designed them unless I hear otherwise. Super cute. This is just a little pocket with, this was just a scrap and I made it into secret journaling or journaling card. You can use it to decorate. This is also a pocket up here. I didn't have anything else to put in there. And then each one of these is a secret journaling spot inspired by Judith Sanderson. Secret journaling. I love these, Judith. I think I might put those in a lot of my things to come. You just have to know which way to pull. I really liked kind of having them all pretty much the same way. And so I tried to glue those on, you know, the right way. This one comes out this way, I think. Not sure which way it comes out. Hold on. Up. Okay. So you have to kind of finagle sometimes there. This one comes up. And then this one, I added this, and then I thought, well, there's another area for another secret journaling. So, isn't that fun? I love it. It's so fun. But yeah, you could put a little tag or something in there. This is just a little tuck spot with another tag that I had in my stash. Here's the center. And then I did like a little teal heart and then a cute little key. This was just a little tuck spot I created, and then I created this. I'm just going to include it if you like it. You can attach it somewhere, but it's not my favorite, so I didn't want to attach it. This was a paper clip that's also a secret journaling spot. So, secret journaling there, and they do come all the way out. Easier if you don't pull them all the way out. And then this one. It's barely worth putting there, but who knows, you might want to write a little saying on it. One of my friends, anywhere the secret journaling spots or the hidden spots were, she would write like a hidden promises from God or something like that, and I think that was so fun. I don't know if that's what she called them. This is a secret journaling spot from Melinda Davis, I think. And that comes all the way out, front and back. I love this, Melinda. Hope I got your last name right. Now I don't remember. And then I created the little paper clip to go with it. And then that's a little tuck spot too. I'm going to cut this piece off. This is one I kind of saved. And then we'll just slide it in there. If you want to use it, you can. This was another secret journaling spot, not inspired by me, but I loved it. I thought, what a fun idea. And all these are in a playlist on my channel. Hidden paper clip. And then this was a Darcy pocket. There's just a scrap piece of paper there. Some little scraps here. And then this opens. And you can journal there. Isn't that awesome? I love it. And that just tucks under there. Darcy pocket. At least that's what I call it. This is another one of those paper clip or magnetic bookmark type things. And then this is our last secret journaling spot. So this pulls up like this, and you could journal there, but this also comes out. So you can journal there, and you can put a little tag there, whatever you want to do. And then I put the little pocket on the little piece as well. These are a little tight, but if you kind of finagle, you know, just for a few minutes, or a little bit, I really like the way it looks. It's that kind of day today. It is Monday when I am filming this. So if you, yeah. And if yesterday's video went up late on Monday, my computer has been updating for hours. And then I think that's as far as it goes. And then we have a little kind of journaling spot here. So that's kind of covered. And a little tag here. And that is it for this gorgeous journal. So I'm going to call this a Floral Journal. Floral Secret Hidden Journal or something on my channel. Or on my Etsy page. It's the Ramblin' Crafter on Etsy. And yeah, 4 o'clock today Mountain Standard Time. So Tuesday. I think today is, let me look and see. Okay, so it'll go up for sale on the 7th. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being along with me on this fun adventure. I loved it. Look how big it is. It's so fat. And then I also have these scraps that I'm just going to send along to, if you want to use some of them for decoration. If I come across any more, then I'll probably just pull some goodies from my stash. Just include that as well. But hope you guys enjoyed this flip through. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button, and good luck if you're trying to get this one. And we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.